Hello my people, this is Glatory. Today I brought you this recipe, homemade cream cheese. Do you so much rely on the store-bought one while you can make your own? Worry no more. I brought you this recipe. Here I'm using 3 liters of full cream milk. I added it to my pot and I'll be cooking it on a low heat. So worry no more. This is very easy recipe. You will learn a lot if you watch it to the end, and you can be able to make your own cream cheese with no nonsense inside. So from time to time, make sure you're stirring it so that it doesn't burn. So you can see I have to continue stirring. You can see the steam is already coming out. You won't let it boil. You just need to wait until you feel that the milk is already warm enough. Here I added my squeezed lemon juice. So this is half cup of squeezed lemon juice. I'll be adding it little by little. And you can see it's already curdling. So I added the remaining one. So at this time, you can off your heat. I didn't wait for it to boil, so you don't need to wait for it to boil. A little heat can make everything worse, okay? So you can see all curdled. So I'll be sieving it out soon. So I'm using this very blind sieve in sieving out this. So you have to be patient enough to wait for the water to drain off the whey, not the water. Yes, the whey. So at this spot, you don't need to squeeze out the whey out. You just let it drain off on its own. So I'll be blending this with my blender. Yes, another thing I want to mention to you about the lemon, you can replace lemon with vinegar, white vinegar if you have one. But for this video, I prefer to use the lemon juice. So now you can see all inside my blender, and I will blend it into creamy form. Yes, I have to give it a first blend just to make it creamy before I add other ingredients. You can see, so creamy. So I added 150 grams of unsalted butter and half teaspoon of salt, and I'll cover it and blend it again. Wow, you can see very creamy. If you can do it, why do you need to buy? I keep telling you, make your own and you'll be happy and sure of what you're eating. You can see it came out so well. So at this time, you can use it. But now I want to put it on another mode because I'm not using it now. I want to store it for longer use. So you can use any mode of your choice and pour it into it and then refrigerate it for 3 hours in order for it to be firm. This is after 3 hours. So I'll be putting it on my plate. So yes, you have to be careful when you are putting this on a mold. Make sure you spread the butter so that it's easy to come out. Yes, I forgot that part. You can see it has a little bit crack. You can see how my cream cheese is. It was so good and it tastes better than the store-bought. Hope you will give it a try. Here I'll be wrapping it up to avoid too much moist. I'm using my cling wrap to wrap it before I will store it. Yes, some people ask me what's the best place to store your cream cheese if you're not using it immediately. I think the best place is just to freeze it, because whenever you want to use it, you can defrost it back. So it's better to freeze it because it makes it retain its original form. So you can see I'm ready to freeze it and store it for longer time. So I'll wrap it up again with my foil. So use any material that is so okay with you for storing your own cream cheese. So with these 3 liters of milk, I was able to get almost 2 kg of cream cheese. Hope you get to try this recipe. Remember to like my video. Please like it, comment and share. And please subscribe and follow my page at Glatory. Bye.